Come test drive the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.